Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and also my dearest friends. Thank you for the time and opportunity that have been given to me this morning to talk about Kartini Day. First of all, I would like to give to together here in the good heart. Kartini Day is celebrated every 21 of April. The date is the birthday of the hero of women's emancipation. Raden Ajeng Kartini is the national hero who fought for the rights of women. She broke chains for Indonesian women. Because of her, Indonesian people, especially women, can achieve freedom and independence in the country of Indonesia. Kartini present freed the women in Indonesia from bad culture in the colonial era, such as not being able to go to school and not have the same right as men. Because of Kartini ideas, women in Indonesia have equal opportunities and rights to get education and realize their goals. Kartini was born and raised in a noble environment. Kartini received a pretty good education, unlike indigenous women who come from among ordinary people. She studied at the IRS European Language School until he was 12 years old. However, after that, Kartini is required to stay at home according to Javanese tradition. Nevertheless, Kartini continues to learn. She taught herself and corresponded by mail with her friends who came from the Netherlands. Because she was reading many references from Europe, Kartini wants the women of her country to be no longer oppressed and can go forward with men. Collection of Kartini letters are published with the title Habis gelap terbitlah terang. From the time, Kartini action to promote women in Indonesia was begun, including by establishing a school of women with the support of her husband. Unfortunately, Kartini died at a young age, which is 25 years old. A few days after giving birth to her first and last year. Kartini birthday April 21 was commemorated every year to commemorate the struggle and division of the Indonesian women's warrior. Ladies and gentlemen, and also my dearest friends, we all must be impressed with the figure of Raden Ajeng Kartini. Kartini has been the inspiration to all of us. The fact of her is very important for our country. In addition, there are no many modern day Kartini like our mother, our teacher, and the women around us. The woman worked hard for the life. By imitating the figure of R.A. Kartini, we can take the action to continue the faith and ideals of Mother Kartini to serve the woman. It is because today there are still many women who need help and need the new Kartini who fight for their faith. Therefore, let us try to learn the attitude and behavior of Kartini. Therefore, we should not be lazy to study. Not only women, but also men, we can all participate so that the nation of Indonesia becomes a better nation. Just imagine, Kartini was struggle to fight for education, so he thought was the truth just like it. We have to be a good generation that can make our parents and friends around us proud. Do not give up easily. Ladies and gentlemen, and also my dearest friends, this is the end of my speech about Kartini. I hope we can all be better generation. Finally, I apologize if there is the mistake in the speech. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.